Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can show your current obsession on your Instagram profile. It doesn't have to be your current obsession. I think there's one for book recommendations or just books. And then there's games and I think travel destination as well as TV show or movie. If I remember correctly, there's a lot that you can change. So to do that, you are just going to go to edit profile on your Instagram page. If it's not there, it's still rolling out, I think. So it's still in beta and it's not going to be rolled out to all of the accounts. That just happens every Instagram update. So it may not be there for you. But if you go to the where is it? Add links. Oh, no. Banners. If you go to banners under links, you'll see the fill in the blank here, like that. So there's current obsession, dream destination, playing, reading, watching, and looking for recommendations, I guess. So I'll do playing because I play games a lot. So I'm just going to type in Detroit. Whoops. Become Human because I'm right now very obsessed with that game, especially Connor. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I'll just do it without the what is it called? Okay, I'll just save it. And then if I go back to my profile, you'll see the playing. You can even add. Okay, you can't add more, but you can add your now playing, I guess, but that's it. If you want to change it, just tap on it again and press edit banner. And you can change it to reading. Don't really read books. I used to read a lot of books back when I was in high school, but there's also watching. I'm watching House right now, so we can just type House here. MD. Save, and it's going to change here as you can see. And then you can change it again to looking for recommendations. Current obsession, dream destination would be, I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.